In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your MetaMask account. So open up your browser and then hit on the extensions tab here and then select MetaMask and open up the MetaMask extension where you normally log in. So once you get to this page here, so if you want to restore your account, click on the forget password option here. Click on it and this will take you to the reset page here. So once you're on the reset page here, so you can choose to reset or restore using your secret recovery phrase. This is the recovery phrase that you would have received or given to you when you first register or open your MetaMask account. So you just need that. So you can select your phrase word here, so secret phrase, and then simply type those secret phrase here. Just type all the secret phrase and then select a new password, type in a new password that you want to set and confirm the same password again here. And then once you're done, hit on the restore option here. That will restore your MetaMask account. It's a simple and straightforward process.